welcome to my channel. I'm Kania. I'm going to be doing my Walmart beauty unboxing. It's a little late, and I hope this doesn't die before I finish. So, we'll see. Ooh! First thing in the box, these scrunchies, which I just took my hair out of one, so I'm going to pretend like I didn't have my hair in a scrunchie all day. These are cute. Wild Primrose 5 scrunchies. A little glittery one for out at night, and they're all satiny. This one's the only matte one. This one's a shimmery too. That's so cute. Those are cute. Those will come in handy. Let's see. Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. Oh, these are pretty. Those are cute. So they just stick on your fingernails to make them look nice. It lasts up to 14 days. 20 gel nail strips. Oh, these are cute patterns too. I don't know if you can see that. Very cute. Oh, let me see what this is. Olay, excuse me. Olay Regenerist Ultra Rich Hydrating Moisturizer. Cute little sample. Olay. And it's a good enough sample to try for a week to see if your skin reacts to it. No scent. Nice and solid. Okay, very nice. Ultra rich for the hot humidity I'm about to face. Ooh, and my Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Natural Toothpaste. I do like this brand. I never buy them, but I do like them. I do think about it. Oh, but I'm stuck on my Crest whitening. Two more things, so hopefully my camera will last. The second thing is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer, Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, 12-hour makeup grip. No, that's not focusing, but this is a cute little pack. That'll be good for travel or for just touch-ups. And the Tanologist Face and Body Drops. Okay. So your glow, your shade, your way. Designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. Self-tan drops are easy to apply, 100% customizable. Interesting. Interesting. It's a cute bottle though. You get like a little pack of sample. Cool. This is getting us ready for summer. I guess this is the spring box. Spring 2021. Yes. Breath of fresh air for your routine. All new things to try. The Walmart Beauty Box is a quarterly subscription box. It's only $5. Free shipping. Get lots of samples of things that are new to their stores or things they've been carrying that they want you to purchase. They probably had these for a while. This I know they've had for a while because I've gotten this before and I like it. It's good for travel. It doesn't have a bad taste and yeah, I like it. It's natural peppermint is this earth scent flavor with tea tree and coconut oil. So it's pretty easy to use. It's just toothpaste. It's just more natural without all the, I guess, chemicals that other toothpastes have. So yeah, that's my box. It's not a sponsored video. I pay for this whole $5 by myself. But yeah, I'm going to cut these open and probably use one in a second. Thank you for watching. This is a super quick video.
Did you tell him about your stinky dad?
No, I didn't tell him about my stinky dad. I do have diffusers everywhere. Oh, my stinky dad. The stinky dad who needs to make cookies. Oh, so you can make up for that. See? Thank you guys for watching. And my surprise guest. If you have not subscribed to Walmart Beauty, to go to walmartbeauty.com. And it is a semi-customizable box. Everything's not super customized, but it goes according to your age and what you like. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.